Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You know, sometimes you come up with ideas and you test them. They work, they don't work. But when an idea comes together and works so good that it suddenly becomes your favorite dish of all time, you know you hit a home run. And that's what I did with this new chicken dish I made. We came up with it, tested it, and I gotta tell you, if I had the money to open a restaurant, it would be the #1 seller. That's how good it is. You have to make this chicken. It is amazing. Anyways, we're doing it next, so stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back. Alright, this chicken is the best chicken I think I've ever come up with. It is amazing, but you need a very sharp knife. Be very careful, keep your hand flat, and you're going to cut super thin slices. Just like this. And for this recipe, you're going to need 6 slices that thin. So probably 2 chicken breasts. Take your time, keep pressure on the knife that's constant, and if it's sharp enough, it'll go straight through like butter, and you can do it. If not, go to your butcher, have him cut it for you. That little piece there we'll put aside and we'll make something out of that later on. So, we got our 6 slices cut. Now we're going to make the sauce. We're going to go with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a couple of good dashes of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of Ancho Chili Crisp. And then we'll get all that mixed up, and we'll set that aside while we start to assemble our chicken that we're going to roll up. So I've got 6 slices of chicken breast, 6 slices of ham. You can use any kind of ham you like. You can even use prosciutto if you like. But I'm just going with regular deli ham. I got a little melted butter on the bottom of my pan. I'm going to pour a little the sauce we just made to coat the bottom of the pan as well. And that's just a standard 8x8 baking dish. I got the oven preheated at 350 degrees. So we're going to go slice of chicken, slice of ham, and we're just going to roll it up nice and tight. Once again, chicken, ham, roll it up nice and tight. And once we have them all rolled up, we're going to put them into our baking dish. Just like so. 3 and 3. And make sure you've got a little room in between each one. And then we're going to top it off with some shredded mozzarella cheese. And we're going to bake this for about 40 minutes. And while that's going on, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Tell your friends and family, and leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate it. So 40 minutes later, we're going to pop this out of the oven and serve it up with a little asparagus. And I'm telling you, this is one of the most flavorful chicken dishes you will ever have. It is amazing. Make this one. I think everybody's going to love it. It's not too spicy, but it's just loaded with flavor.